Is your Kia Sportage shifter stuck in park? This can happen due to a number of reasons, for example due to a failed brake switch or faulty shift interlock solenoid. Don't worry, I've got a quick fix for you. First, locate the small cap labeled Shift Lock Release next to your gear shifter. Gently remove the cap using a flathead screwdriver, which you can get from the toolkit in the trunk. Be careful not to damage the surrounding area. Once the cap is off, you will see a chunky white button inside. This is the Shift Release button. Press and hold the Shift Release button with one hand, and with the other hand, move the gear shifter out of park. And there you go, your shifter should now move freely. Remember, this is a temporary fix. The underlying issue should be fixed as soon as possible to prevent this from happening again. I hope this quick fix helps you out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car tips.